today would never have been possible without the hard work and the tireless efforts of the IISA. I'm sitting here with Thokozile Mahlangu, and we're talking about the future of the conference. Thokozile, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Please discuss how today went. Did it exceed your expectations?
It went exactly as planned, and I'm quite happy about it. So today we started with the keynote address by the Group Chair of Munich Re, Dr. Joachim, I hope I'm pronouncing his name right, Joachim Wenning, and he addressed us on exploring new frontiers, and that looked at overall frontiers in the continent. And then we had breakaway sessions. One was looking at surviving in challenging times, basically doing business in challenging times, political, economic, social. One of the other breakaway sessions looked into insurance penetration in Africa. And then we had a panel discussion that looked at the impact of big events on insurance and reinsurance. We also had a panel discussion on transforming the insurance industry for a sustainable future. And the other panel discussion looked at emerging economics and the impact of insurance. So that was really great. We then closed off the day by an address by Dr. Mahlangu, which looked at leadership sustainability of the industry.
Talking about new frontiers, and that is basically really what this conference is about. You've opened it up into the African Insurance Exchange. Can you just discuss the decision behind opening it up and making that the core ethos of the conference?
So as the local or organizing committee, not local rather, organizing committee of the conference, we looked at the role that the conference plays. And as an industry, remember that the members of the committee is SAIA, FIA and IISA. All our members are people that don't only do business in Africa, in South Africa, but in the continent as a whole. With that, we felt it was relevant to actually name the conference African Insurance Exchange going forward, and not just the insurance conference. And that's really to make sure that it is inclusive, it addresses the needs of our members as the three parties that are involved in the organizing of the conference.
Finally, let's talk about the future of the conference. I know you want to grow it and you hope to grow it year by year. Please discuss the future.
So the future is not really to grow in number, but to grow in content, to grow in the type of presentations, to grow in the type of format. So what we'd like to see going forward is perhaps to have more breakaway sessions where people perhaps have 5 sessions to choose from. And that could perhaps be repeated the next day. And the idea is really to enhance, add and grow the knowledge of our members. That's the focus. So the growth is more on the knowledge, professional development, and not just the numbers of the delegates. That's the future.
Thokozile, thank you very much.
Thank you.